Hello YouTube, round number 2 for How to Android. Today I want to go over another basic feature of pretty much all Android phones from some pretty early generations. They've always had a notification bar. Nowadays you'll notice at the top of your screen, obviously you've got all your widgets and applications down here. A lot of phones will now have this Google search bar, and above all that you're going to see what we call a notification bar. If you don't touch it, what you're going to notice is it's going to typically always have your clock, so the time on there, local time, battery level, cell phone coverage, other things like Bluetooth where you have an alarm set. So it's just some general information on the right hand side. On the left hand side is, if I can get a nice image here, there we go, will be other applications that have been allowed to push those notifications. So when you get a new email or a new text message, those things will show up here at top. Other things, certain applications, if they're always running, just letting you know that they're running. So at a quick glance, at any one of your screens, whatever screen you're on, that's always going to stay at the top. So you'll be able to see your battery, your cell service, and any applications that basically need attention, or if giving you some sort of warning that you've got a new message. The other thing what's cool about this is you can swipe down. They call it a window shade. So if I swipe down on that, pull it all the way down, you're going to see the same items that were just there up top. So if you don't remember, I have a Gmail notifications that I had an email here, an email from How to Android, and then I had a text message, which shows up because I've got that merged with my Hangouts. So there's your little Hangout symbol, and the little lightning bolt is Tasker. So that just showing me that Tasker is running, and then I've got a new email and a new text message. They've actually expanded this a lot. Before you could just view what you have and you could swipe to dismiss. You can still swipe to dismiss, but you can do a lot of other cool applications right from here. So for example, if you get this email, you want to delete it, you want to reply to it, you can do that directly from here without having to open up your email, find this email, and then hit reply, or just simply delete it. So if I want to get rid of this, all I have to do is simply tap archive, and there it goes. If I did that by accident, you can always undo it. Nice feature of Gmail. Text messages, same way. Again, you can swipe away and it will disappear. The other thing that you can do when you're in this window shade is you'll notice the 3 dashes up at the top. If you ever hit that, if we touch that here, it's basically going to clear anything that's clearable and take you right back to your home screen. If we swipe down on that again, you're going to still see the Tasker app there, because that one doesn't have a current message that it's trying to show me. It's just showing that Tasker is definitely running in the background. They do allow you with Tasker, if I open up the app, to go in and you can make some adjustments to that. Preferences. This would be a full another lesson for another day, but in a lot of applications, if you look around for notification icon, they'll allow you to check it, uncheck it, to remove it altogether, because you may not want to see it running up top. The method that Tasker uses, if I click this little icon here, I can make it show up as all kinds of cool little arrows and magnifying glasses and hippopotamuses. The top left here is actually an icon. It's blank. So that's just saying that that will mean that nothing's going to show up. So if I back out here, it should disappear. It's going to go ahead and prove me wrong. But that's the gist of your application. So please browse around in any app that's always showing up top here and it's annoying. Your email notifications, you can even turn those off. If you're getting hundreds of emails and you don't always want to see them up here, you can disable that basically. The other thing you can do in your drop-down menu that they've added with Android 4.4 KitKat is you're going to notice this little button up top, a little guy in the 5 squares. If you just simply tap that, it's going to flip right over to your settings menu. This is where you're going to get in your basic settings, brightness, cell phone, airplane mode, Bluetooth, location, so on. So that's basically it. When you swipe down on that, you can flip back and forth. The other thing you can do is if you swipe down with 2 fingers, if you put 2 fingers down from the top, apologize, didn't get that correct. 2 fingers, if you can see it there, it's going to go straight into my menu settings. All it's doing is just eliminating this tap here. nifty feature, don't really use it that much. So that is another version of How to Android. Please subscribe below, and I'll keep going through more of your features of your Android phone. Thank you.